3, 2, 1.
Who was the first Little League baseball player to become U.S. president? The answer is C. George W. Bush. What is the name of the second largest Cuban island? The answer is B. Isle of Youth. What has a neck but cannot cry out? The answer is A. Tie. The concept for which vehicle was first proposed by Leonardo da Vinci? The answer is C. Automobile. What is a common nickname for the Yorkshire Terriers? The answer is B. Yorkie. Which work by Edgar Allan Poe features the characters Roderick Usher and Madeline Usher? The answer is C. The Fall of the House of Usher. The koto is a traditional Japanese stringed instrument with how many strings? The answer is A. 6. Which item of clothing is also known as a jigget? The answer is C. Blouse. I treat the sick, yet I never get ill. Who am I? The answer is B. Doctor. What word describes a carbonyl where the carbon atom makes single bonds with two others? The answer is B. Ketones. The compression of matter due to gravitational attraction increased as the protoplanets formed. What was a result of this compression within each protoplanet? The answer is C. Increase in thermal energy. All three types of convergent plate boundaries produce what destructive phenomenon? The answer is B. Earthquake. Snails, scallops, and squids are examples of invertebrates called what? The answer is A. Mollusks. What is the name of Stanley Ipkiss' dog in the 1994 action comedy movie The Mask, starring Jim Carrey? The answer is D. Milo. Which economic system emphasizes private property and free markets? The answer is D. Fascism. In 1971, Jeff Bridges was in a movie about life in a dying Texas town. The movie won great acclaim, especially for the performance of cowboy actor Ben Johnson. What was the name of this movie? The answer is A. The Last Picture Show. What is the invention that allows you to send emails? The answer is B. Computer. What type of gases trap heat in the atmosphere, causing Earth to have a moderate temperature? The answer is D. Greenhouse gases. What is the equivalent fraction of 5/8 when divided by 2? The answer is B. 2/4. What is Wittgenstein's Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus about?
The answer is A. Logic.
How do you evolve Rhydon into Rhyperior in the Diamond and Pearl Pokémon series? The answer is C. Trade Rhydon up while holding a protector. What was the first color television broadcast in the U.S.? The answer is B. Bonanza. What is the best-selling video game of all time? The answer is B. Minecraft. What is dendrochronology the study of? The answer is D. The records in tree rings. Who is the Norse god of mischief? The answer is C. Loki. Which rock is a fingernail harder than? The answer is B. Graphite. Who is the first pitcher to win the Gold Glove Award 17 times? The answer is D. Greg Maddux. What type of movie is the 1987 Stanley Kubrick film Full Metal Jacket? The answer is D. War movie. On what day did Richards appear on late-night TV via satellite to apologize and explain the situation? The answer is B. November 20, 2006. Who was the first woman to serve as a U.S. Secretary of State? The answer is C. Madeleine Albright. I'm torn to pieces yet my tears are never shed. Who am I? The answer is B. Leaves. The official language of Japan is? The answer is C. Japanese. What is the name of the economic theory that suggests markets left alone will regulate themselves? The answer is D. Laissez-faire. In Gobbus Valley from the Banjo-Kazooie Adventure video game, how many notes are there in front of the door that you ride the magic carpet to? The answer is C. 5. Which is the only country that shares a border with all the other 4 countries of the world? The answer is B. Russia. What causes genetic disorders? The answer is C. Mutations. In the movie Dodgeball, Peter learned from Kate that average Joe's gym was $50,000 in debt. How did Peter and his friends first try to raise money to get out of this debt? The answer is C. By having an all-male car wash. Caffeine is an example of what type of drug? The answer is D. Psychoactive. Jumeirah Beach Hotel, one of Dubai's most luxurious hotels, has a unique architectural structure resembling what? The answer is B, a wave. Most sedimentary rock is made from sediments of other rock. Which of these processes would the sediments most likely go through to form sedimentary rock? The answer is A, compaction and cementation. Lance Reddick, who played the lead FBI agent of the Fringe unit from the self-titled series, also showed up on the television series Lost. What was his character's name on Lost? The answer is C, Matthew Abaddon. What hydrocarbons contain only single bonds between carbon atoms? The answer is C, saturated hydrocarbons. What does the ovule develop into after fertilization? The answer is B, seed. How does the image focused by the eye travel to the brain? The answer is D, the optic nerve. Who invented the first transistor radio? The answer is C, Ken O'Neill. Who was the first gymnast ever to score a perfect 10.0? The answer is C, Nadia Comaneci. In what popular TV series did actress Kate Walsh star as Dr. Addison Montgomery? The answer is B, Grey's Anatomy. What is the saying for Brave New World? The answer is A, Future London. Which country won the most FIFA World Cup tournaments? The answer is A, Brazil. Which of these characters of the X-Men series is the only person whom Rogue can touch and not absorb his or her powers?